Lincoln's new swimsuit. It's kind of hard for him to walk in it. Throws off his center of gravity or something. It's really wobbly. Like a drunken sailor. Lincoln. Oh, no. No. Did you bonk your head?
Hey.
Lincoln. Flash.
Oh. Flash Gordon.
Happy Father's Day.
Who's that?
Say mama. In the basket.
Go, Lincoln. Goody, go.
Drop it. Drop it in. Drop it in. Oh.
I'd rather eat it. Woo! Do it. You can do it, man.
Yay!
2 points.
Earlier he did one off the backboard.
2 points.
Threw it.
Yeah, he's
Like a real basketball. Careful.
He's gonna try it out. Do it. Oh, do you hear him?
Do you hear him
He
outside?
hears and now he wants to dribble. Yeah, he could dribble ball. Ooh, just gotta taste it one more time. It's so delicious.
Happy birthday, Lincoln.
Yeah,
Happy early birthday.
That's from Uncle
Uncle
Landon.
Lin- Nothing like going potty and eating at the same time, huh, Lincoln? Yes?
My friend. This little puppy went to market. This little puppy stayed home.
Turn on the music.
This little puppy had a
Look.
biscuit. Head, shoulders. I love you. Head,
Shoulders, knees, and toes.
peekaboo, I see you. Hug me. You're my friend. I love you.
This is a really bad quality. Hey. Whoa, buddy. Throw it. Throw the ball. Whoa!
Daddy.
Daddy's gone. He'll come back after meetings. Put the hat on your head. Put it on your head. Oh, I get to wear it. Thank you. Woo! Thank you, bud.
Size and bounce.
Lincoln. Lincoln.
Where's the mama?
Lincoln, look over here. Hey, bud. Are you in a pool?
Yeah.
Are you trying to put that in the cup? You're so smart.
You are. You are smart, actually. Very.
Lincoln.
To mommy.
Lincoln. Hi.
You got the surfing do.
Yeah.
Surfer wave.
How to survive Texas heat right here.
Yeah.
Lincoln. Lincoln. Doggy. That's right. Lincoln. Come here. Come here. Stand up. You might need a second hand. No? Okay. Lincoln, come here. Lincoln's cheesing for the camera. Lincoln. I'm taking a picture. Hey, Lincoln. Lincoln, I'm still taking a picture. Lincoln. Hold him back and then have him do it.
Lincoln, say cheese. Say
Lincoln,
cheese.
look.
Say
Lincoln.
cheese. Huh?
Lincoln. Lincoln, the camera's on.
Lincoln, look.
Lincoln, look. Look at
Cheese. Say cheese.
He's focused on my scarf. Hold him back farther.
Maybe it's only when the flash goes on.
No, it's... Lincoln, look! Lincoln! Hey, I'm going to take a picture.
You get sick of taking pictures.
Yeah, probably. Lincoln, smile. Take a picture. We're going to take a picture. We're having so much fun on the plane. Lincoln. Lincoln, look. He's like, I did it for long enough. Lincoln and Daddy are walking out to the water. Here it comes. Let's see what he thinks. Woo! It's really cold. Woo! We're at Oceanside Beach. It's beautiful. There's Pop, Mimi, and Lincoln. Loves the water. Lincoln! You running away from the water? Lincoln is crawling to the ocean. Oh, what does he think? He likes it? Lincoln! He is a robot. Lincoln! He's trying to not get his knees in it. Oh, it's on video. That's good too. This is Aunt Ann and Lincoln. Hi, Lincoln. Hi. There's Aunt Ann. It's kind of dark. Disneyland fireworks. We're on the roof of our hotel.
I know.
Lincoln, who's that?
Who's that? That's
Last night at Disneyland before it closes, eating fried chicken and bananas. What's the name of this restaurant anyway?
I think it's the Plaza Inn. My favorite.
Your favorite place to eat? Okay.
Fried chicken's one of my favorite foods. Hey, yeah. In Disneyland, this is my favorite.
We've eaten here before. So you need some chicken.
Well, how was it, Linko? Was it fun? Was it fun?
We went to go get dinner.
You have fun at Disneyland? Yeah. Yummy.